Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a proper 3D face mesh so Roblox accepts it. Open Blender, model a clean, low-polygon face and unwrap UVs. This reduces upload errors and keeps performance high. Once done, create a single diffuse texture, bake normals if needed, and ensure the mesh uses a single material. Export as FBX with consistent scale. Roblox expects meters-like units, so set scale and the apaxis to match. Now open Roblox Studio and be ready to import the file. You import the FBX into Asset Manager and choose Mesh or Mesh Part. This is the action that creates the face object within Roblox. Once uploaded, assign the diffuse texture to the mesh's material and verify UV alignment in Studio's preview. Then adjust collisions, set to box or disabled for faces, and tweak orientation and scale in the Properties panel so the mesh sits correctly on an avatar or model. Make sure to anchor during tests. Check in play mode to see how lighting and normals respond. You finish by attaching the face mesh to the avatar head using Motor 6D or attachment pairs so movement stays synced. Once attached, finalize by optimizing geometry and textures to meet Roblox limits. Reduce vertex count and shrink texture resolution if uploads fail. If the mesh appears invisible or distorted, make sure transforms were applied before export, that the material is not set to fully transparent, and that normals face outward. If problems persist, re-export from Blender with applied scale and rotation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.